This is our scale. I'm using the measuring cup to tear it out so it can hold the bag up better. And then I'll put the bag in here and fill it up. And I'm not sure right now about how many grams or whatever we need for both of us together, but I'm packaging both of our meals in one bag since we're going to rehydrate them at the same time. We're not going to pick like one meal over another. We're going to eat the same meals every day. So what I did was I put the required of ingredients minus the meat on a dehydrator tray and then asked Jim what he thought that would be, and I thought it would be for an adequate amount for barley, which is in this bowl, barley and red kidney beans and some onion. And then I'll add the beef, which is in this bag here, which is filet mignon, and then that will be one meal for both of us. And the filet mignon took up a sheet, but it was all a bunch of small pieces, so I'm sure we'll just have maybe a little extra meat, but I'll find out. But apparently you do 2/3 of ingredients to 1/3 of your meat or your protein. Meat, actually. So let's see how this goes. And then for the beef, I'm going to add a little bit of beef bouillon. I'm doing a half a bouillon cube for both of us. I think that's probably okay. And I won't add any extra salt. So let me see if I can do this somehow. Alright, there we go. I'll move this over here. And then you add your seasonings on top. So I'm going to do the scale, tear it out to 0. Got to turn it on. At 0. I'm going to start putting in the ingredients. That's 92 grams so far. You can see what it looks like in the bowl. A little close, but anyway. Alright, that's 150 grams for both of us. And I thought the meat would fit in there entirely, but I don't think it will, so I'm going to need another bag. So here comes the filet mignon. Actually, I'm going to see what the tear is with this bag. There we go. And that's 0. So I'm going to put the meat in now. Here's the filet mignon, all dehydrated. And another way this would be easier to use this kind of funnel. That keeps the bag open. Let's just jump out. Let's see if we can get it in here now. Alright. And that's 130, so that would be 75 each. And then 150 divided by, oh wait a minute, 75? No, 65 each. And then the 150, that's, I'm not sure. Let me see here. I'm going to put this back in the bowl. That's 0. I'm going to put if it matters if this is in first or the meat's first. So there you go. This should be 150, and it is. That's 75 each. Let me see if I can get all this meat in here. I don't think so. I'll find out. I'll put it back on the scale when I get it done. Okay, great. So now, back on the scale, it weighs 280. So that's 140 each. And the guy's video that I found, which I'm blanking out on his name right now, but he said he does 150 each for each of his meals. So this is just under that, but that's okay because Jim and I aren't going to eat as much. He's a bigger guy than we are each. So that's the meat. So now I'm going to add in the bouillon cube. Half of a bouillon cube. It's just to give it a little beefier flavor. And I cut it up. Hopefully it'll dissolve when we're there. And I'm not going to put any more salt in this one, but the ingredients say to put, this is from my slow cooker, but I modified it for this. It says to put paprika, garlic powder, and salt. And let me see, do I have any mushrooms in here? I don't know, maybe I'll put a couple mushrooms. Maybe I did put mushrooms in. Probably did. I imagine I put mushrooms in there. So let me see. Minced garlic. I'm supposed to put a shake or two in there. We love garlic, so it won't be anything an overload of. And then paprika. I gotta get that out. And this is Hungarian paprika. Put that in there. And what else? I think it needs thyme. It doesn't say thyme. Let me see. Parsley, onion. I already have onion, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Okay. I'm not going to add salt because we can always add more later with the bouillon. So there you go. That's inside the bag. Weigh it again. Did it change? Only a little bit. Okay, so that's good. So this will be the first bag. And we're going to shrink wrap it. I shouldn't have done that. Let me get all this out of the way so we can shrink wrap it. Vacuum seal. There we go. I'm going to get a piece out to fit this. That's going to have the seal. We'll cut it up there. I think that'll be adequate. Okay, it's already plugged in. I'm going to do the seal. Check it. And we have a seal. Okay, I'm going to put the contents of this bag inside the bag we're going to seal. Yeah, it's a little too big. Oh well. I'll know better next time. I have to turn it around. Vacuum seal. And there goes the seal. And we'll check it. Looks good. Alright. So that's one meal for both of us. Make sure you labeled it. And this is called Hungarian beef and beans. Barley. Beans. BBB. Triple B. Okay. See if I can put in there 4-2. Oh, that'll stay. Alright. Let's see how much this whole bag weighs with everything in it. Not cooperating. Huh. There we go. Must not be able to hold on any part of it. Okay, so the whole thing, bag and all, is 302 grams. So let me switch it to pounds. Now it's on pounds and ounces. 10.58 ounces, so 11 ounces for a meal for two, including the meat and all of everything. And all you do is add water. You put it in a pan and you fill it just over the ingredients and let it soak. And then you can cook it a little while and you have your meal. So one down, many, many more to go. Let's put this away. So I figure right around 280 to 300 for both of us. So let's see what we got next. Tuna noodle, that's going to be something I figure is just for us. So let me clean out the bowl and everything. I'm just going to tear the bowl this time. Yeah, switch it to grams. Oh, gotta switch it when it's on. There we go. And it's teared. This is going to be tuna noodle casserole. So here's the casserole part. And that includes macaroni. And what you do is you cook the macaroni first. So that's 283, so that's just about right. You cook the macaroni, you let it dry for a day, and then you add it to the dehydrator with your other ingredients. And then it cooks faster at the campsite. You don't use as much fuel. So this is the tuna noodle casserole. And I gotta find the tuna. Where's the tuna? Something's missing. Okay, I'm pausing.